How y'all doing today? My name's Tony. Together, my wife and I, we run Kettle Black Arts and we make all sorts of fine products. We make leather products, we do tie-dyes, we do tie-dye masks, and we make some awesome jewelry. But we just started magnet fishing and we got ourselves a nice Kratos magnet. Bask in the tape coolness, right? Now, something else that's really cool about their box versus everybody else's box, they actually paint their little magnet signature on here, which is really, really neat. You know, there you go. Both sides. I know, right? All right, so we're gonna get this going here. Gonna unstick the tape from my fingers because tape. Open it cautiously here. Little repacking here from the shipping company itself, not from Kratos. So let's see. Some good strong tape, Kratos. All right. Okay. We got a nice Kratos hat. Thank you, Kratos. I appreciate it. Rock on. Ooh, nice. All right, now I have another grappling hook from another company, but I tell you, this actually has some real heft to it. So I'm really impressed by that. So well worth the cash you're paying for it, all right? Very cool. Thank you again, Kratos. Picked up the 10 mil rope with carabiner. Open this. You already know what plastic looks like, so I don't need to zoom in on that to show you. All right. It's got the nice big carabiner there. It's got the stitching. This is the 10 mil rope. This has a very high breaking point. It's very cool. It's got some good shrinks. It's 65 feet. Definitely got some good thickness to it. All right. So this can be awesome to throw out and retrieve. All right. We got their thank you card. Got a nice note here. We got the bill lading for you young folks. Us other folks call it that. Ask them about a pound sign. Anyways, Kratos. Very cool. We got a couple different ones. All right. Now remember, depending on your state, you might not be able to put these on your back window, but you have windows on the side of your car. Want to avoid those tickets, okay, people? All right. Now this is that really cool clamp magnet. Now I can't wait to break this bad boy out. But again, you got to wait 24 hours after you use the sealant, which is well worth it. Save your phone. It's good stuff. All right. They put a nice Kratos keychain in there for you. Very cool. Always handy. Stashed off to the side, as you can see, hopefully, that you got your washer and a lock washer in there. All right. I'm not going to pull that out because I don't want to lose it right now. I'll lose it later. Ooh, all right. Now this is only the 1400, all right? Now I was a little financially challenged, so we'll start off with a little one. But this is the Kratos 1400. Not going to get too close to the camera there. All right. So I'm using my phone versus using the GoPro. So I'm not sure if the phone can really take it. The GoPro could probably take it a little better because the memory cards are all, good. All right. So I'm going to use that Loctite on there. This is locked down there really nice. It says a decent weight, so I feel definitely, one more time, I can definitely throw this all day. With dyslexia also comes speech impediments. So those of you young kids who have dyslexia, be prepared, be aware. It's not a roadblock. It's just the way it works. All right? But anyways, I really dig that they have their name on this. This is very cool. I wish more companies did this and would also put your name on it. Now, that'd be really cool. I know there's maybe one that does it, but all the companies put your name on there. Now, I can't wait to add my label on here. But I also can't wait to use this in a couple days. But luckily, we're having severe rainstorms for the next 2 days, so I have to wait for 48 hours no matter what. All right, folks. But hey, support Kratos. It's a nice company in Pennsylvania. I can't wait to throw this out there and retrieve it with my new 10mm rope. It'll be really cool. And as I do more videos, I'll show you how well this works. All right? Take care. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Tell your pet I said hello.